20 Minutes Setswana presents Hello Abuti, say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
Okay, it's time to start greeting people. Are you ready, kids? Let's go meet some people.
Dumela. Okay.
Oh look, it's OC.
Dumela. Okay. Greeting. When okay.
Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. When we use okay to greet people, it means how are you? And when we answer by saying Greeting, it means I am fine. You see how easy it is? Now let's see how Abuti and Osi use these phrases.
Dumela. Okay.
Greeting.
Okay, Katze.
Oops, that cat doesn't seem very happy. Let's stick to greeting people.
Dumela. Okay.
And now you can greet people in Sesotho. Bye Abuti, goodbye Osi. See you next time.
Bye.